ยิบซูบองปูนทั้งออกนี่สมาคมประกันชนระบอบเด็กยมทั้งนี้เด็กยมนำไปให้บองปูนไประเบียบเถื่อมอนนำเงาจ่า GBT สู้ให้มีรูปจิตงานจ่าสมบองปูนมันติดติดนิ่งตามด้านระเบียบเถื่อจะมวยในเด็กยมให้นั่งเครื่องสองระบอบยืนทั้งออกนี่จ่า Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fermented lime with chicken soup, and I show you the easy way, and let us come along and see how to cook it and also our ingredient. This is our chicken. I only put half. ចំពោះណាំងើយើងអាចដាក់មាន់មូលក៏បានកាផ្លូវមាន់ក៏បានធូរមាន់ក៏បានឬក៏មាន់ឆ្អិនក៏បានឬតាមចំណង់ចំណូលចិត្ត For chicken whole chicken you can replace with drumstick wing or cooked chicken or ខ្ទឹមសខ្ទឹមបារាំងហើយនិងការ៉ុត garlic onions and carrot Scotch sugar, whole dram, fermented lime, spring onion and coriander, saktam and chicken soy, soup knorr or soup lai, chicken stock or vegetable stock, the dry fish sauce, hanang umbal and salt, saktam kralai, roasted garlic. ពេលធ្វើស៊ុបណាំងើយើងដើម្បីឲ្យឆ្ងាញ់យើងដាក់ដាំទឹកយើងដាក់ការ៉ុតបន្តិចទៅហើយដាក់ខ្ទឹមបារាំងហើយនិងខ្ទឹមសដើម្បីឲ្យមានចេញជាតិផ្អែមណា How you cook fermented lime with chicken First of all you have to put some water and carrot onions and garlic and bring it to boil to get the sweetness out of it ចំពោះមាន់យើងត្រូវកាប់វាជាកង់អញ្ចឹងណាចាមុននឹងយើងដាក់ចូលដល់ពេលទឹកពុះស្ទុះមកយើងអាចដាក់ចូលក្នុងទឹកស៊ុបជាងបានចា For chicken you can chop it like this not too small okay yeah and then after the water boil for a little while you can put it in yeah បន្ទាប់ពីយើងដាក់មាន់មកយើងអាចដាក់ស្ករសចូលណា After you put the chicken you can add some sugar and a little bit of chicken stock or vegetable stock យ៉ាដាក់ស៊ុបខ្នុរចូលទៅណាចាហើយយើងងាស់តទៅទៀតចា we leave it and then keep it bring to boil for a little bit បន្ទាប់ពីយើងមកងាស់ស៊ុបយើងបានស្ទុះធំដែរណាយើងចាប់ផ្ដើមដាក់ក្រូចថ្រាំយើងចូល Okay after you boil the soup for quite some time okay you can see now you can add your fermented lime in okay and keep on simming យើងកុកបន្តទៅទៀតណាចាហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងយើងថែមទឹកត្រីបន្តិចទៅណាចាចាទឹកត្រីចូលទៅ you put some fish sauce in ចំពោះស៊ុបណាំងើជាទូទៅយើងមកសាច់នឹងឲ្យវាផុយហ្មងណាចាផុយបានឆ្ងាញ់ចាហើយចំពោះមាន់ហ្នឹងយើងយកមាន់មាន់ស្វិតក៏បានមាន់ដើរដីក៏បានចាតាមចិត្តចំណង់ចំណូលចិត្តរបស់បងប្អូនណាចា For this soup usually we have to steam it until the chicken is very tender okay and the chicken is of your choice you can choose the steamed chicken free range chicken or yeah it's up to you okay but make sure that it's very tender the more tender it is become nicer very tasty as well okay បន្ទាប់ពីក្រូចណាំងើនឹងវាទន់ណាយើងយកម្ដងយកវាចេញណាយើងដាក់ឈុងវាចា Okay, after the fermented lime is already soft, you just put it in the bowl. Just mash it. យើងដាក់ឈុងវាឲ្យម៉ត់ណាចាហើយបើយើងដាក់ចូលក្នុងឆ្នាំងវិញ and then you put it back to the soup, okay? យើងជុំវាតម៉ត់អញ្ចឹង yeah you mash it until it become in pieces like this Okay, and then you put it back in the soup. Okay, we just put the whole thing back in the soup. Trong soup tới dân cô về tới. Stir it a little bit and you can do your tasting. Okay, so see, it looks very yummy already. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see our chicken is very tender. Yeah,នេះណាដូចផុយល្អណាចាឆ្អិនហើយមុននឹងយើងដាក់ចុះយើងកុំភ្លេចដាក់ខ្ទឹមក្លោកចា before you take it out of the stove make sure that you put some roasted garlic in okay បងប្អូនឃើញទេស៊ុបយើងឆ្អិនហើយខ្ញុំបាន serve ដាក់ចានហើយ I already serve in the spring onion and coriander on top okay yeah it's ready to eat now you can see how yummy it is thank you so much everyone for watching my video អរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនដែលបានតាមដានវីដេអូទាំងអស់ទាំងខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូននឹងចូលចិត្តមុខម្ហូបមួយនេះហើយកុំភ្លេចធ្វើញ៉ាំផងចាហើយកុំភ្លេចណាចូលទៅក្នុង YouTube របស់នាងខ្ញុំហើយជួយ subscribe share វីដេអូនាងខ្ញុំផងដែរអរគុណច្រើនដែលបានជួយគាំទ្រនាងខ្ញុំរហូតមក thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you continue to support me so please don't forget to share and like especially subscribe my video so that others know about how to cook this yummy soup and also you will get more recipe from me as well okay thank you so much okay goodbye ជំរាបលាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាចាជួបគ្នាតាមរយៈវីដេអូក្រោយទៀត see you again in my next video thank you bye ចំពោះណាំងើយើងអាចដាក់សាឡាត់ស្រួយនឹងយើងអាចដាក់ tropical មកក៏ឆ្ងាញ់ដែរចាfor the soup you can put iceberg lettuce underneath and it tastes good as well okay just serve the soup on top okay ចំពោះណាំងើមួយចាននេះខ្ញុំដាក់ទ្រាប់សាឡាត់ពីខមចា for this soup I serve it with iceberg lettuce underneath okay let's try it together very very delicious